So friends, we are now looking at solution of homework section for treatment of goodwill. First question, page 152. A, B and C are in partnership sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4:3:3. They decided to change profit sharing ratio to 7:7:6. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 20,000. Calculate sacrifice or gain by partners and make necessary journal entry. What will be A's sacrifice, friends? A's sacrifice will be nothing but his old share. What is A's old share? Sir, A's old share is 4/10 minus new share 7/20. Correct. So 1/20 will be A's sacrifice. What will be B's sacrifice? Old share for B is 3/10 minus 7/20. So 1/20 is gain for B, not sacrifice. C's sacrifice. Old share is 3/10 minus 6/20. So C is neither sacrificing nor gaining. For passing journal entry for goodwill, what we are supposed to do, sir, will raise full value of goodwill in their old ratio. Will raise full value of goodwill in their old profit sharing ratio. Full value of goodwill is 20,000 and their old profit sharing ratio is 4:3:3. So 20,000 will be distributed in the ratio 4:3:3. It will be 8,000, 6,000 and 6,000, sir. And then we'll write off full value of goodwill in their new ratio. Full value of goodwill will be written off in their new ratio. That comes to 7,000, 7,000, 6,000. So what will be net treatment for goodwill? Sir, A's account will be credited with 1,000. B's account will be debited with 1,000. Correct? So journal entry for goodwill will be B's capital account debit. B's capital account debit 1,000 to A's capital account. Correct? Yes, sir. Question 2, friends. A, B, C and D are in partnership, sharing profits and losses equally. They mutually agreed to change profit sharing ratio to 3:3:2:2. Give necessary journal entry assuming goodwill of the firm is rupees 20,000. So there are 4 partners here. What is the treatment for goodwill we give? We'll firstly raise full value of goodwill. Will raise full value of goodwill in their old profit sharing ratio. What is old ratio, friends? Sir, it is equal 1:1:1:1. So it will be 5,000, 5,000, 5,000 and 5,000. And then we'll write off full value of goodwill. In new profit sharing ratio. What is their new ratio, friends? The new ratio is 3:3:2:2. So we'll write off goodwill in the ratio 3:3:2:2. That is 6,000, 6,000, 4,000 and 4,000. So A's account will be debited with 1,000, B's account will be debited with 1,000, C's account will be credited with 1,000, D's account also will be credited with 1,000. So the journal entry for goodwill will be A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, to C's capital account, and to D's capital account. Correct? Yes, sir.